Hey friends, welcome to Fit Kids Kitchen and Living. Today we are going to see a Khakhra Chaat recipe. It's very simple and delicious. Please do subscribe our channel if you're not. We need half cup tomato chop, half cup onion chop, half cup umu podi, half carrot grated, 1 chili chopped, 2 teaspoon mayonnaise, 2 teaspoon of ketchup, half teaspoon of chaat masala, salt for taste, half khakra crushed and 2 full khakras. Put the mayonnaise into the ketchup and mix it together. Put the mixer sauce into the khakra and spread it evenly. Look how nice I spread it. Spread the onions on the khakra. Then add some carrots. There was a farm who had a dog. Bingo was his name, B-I-N-G-O. Then add some chili. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. Then spread tomatoes. Then Bingo was his name, Bo. Add salt and chaat masala. Baby shark do 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 the baby shark do 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 the baby shark do 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 the baby shark. Do you like cheese? Because I like it. Wait, I have one idea. How about we add some cheese? Spread some umu podi now. Then the crushed khakras. Finally mayonnaise. If you like, you can add some lemon juice. Let's cut it with a pizza cutter. Wow, it looks like a Khakhra pizza chaat, isn't it? See how crispy and fresh it is. See how yummy it is. This is a yummy, delicious chaat recipe. Do try it. Do enjoy this with your family. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.